What is going on, everybody? Jeremy with Detroit Tech, and I wanted to say Happy New Year. It is not January. It is December 31st, like, I don't know, 6 p.m., 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And I didn't want to put out a full fat video for you guys today. Wanted you to enjoy your New Year's Eve, but wanted to say thank you to everybody. We've hit some awesome milestones. We have about quintupled our subscriber count. We have tripled our view count. And these are just some awesome things. They don't mean that we're successful in and of themselves, but we are just the great conversations I've had with some of you people. That really is what's doing it for us. We have an awesome 2019 coming up. We're really going to start messaging, kind of honing down what we do here as a channel. We're really trying to find that intersection between, accessibility and quality for you. So stay tuned. We will be back with full fat video for you. We'll catch you next time.